It's hard to tell, but that looks like it could be a point. We're getting ready to find out. It is. Good deal. Walked over that one on the way up here. Alright. If anything else, get back to you. Alright, out on the river still. Looks like I got a little bitty old dude. My shadow's in the way, but pick it up here. It's a good one. Alright, if anything else, get back to you. Looks like I might have something here. I ain't 100% sure. We'll find out here. Yep. Good deal. That's the first point I found down here. New spot here. New permission I just got. Nice little blade. Preform. Alright. Anything else, get back with you. Alright, still the same little beach here. Looks like I got a point here. Looks like it's all there. So, pick it up here. Alright, wash it off here. Alright, pretty good one. If anything else, get back with you. It's kind of hard to see, but I've got a tip sticking out there. Alright. It's got a little nick on the base, but nice little bifurcated bird point, dart point. Right. If anything else, get back with you. Kind of looking in pockets here, and poked my finger with this one, but water's a little murky. It's kind of hard to see everything, so see a little piece of plant, I'll look, grab it, and sometimes I get lucky like I did here. But nice little bird point. Alright, got a pocket full of brokes. I ain't filming, but kind of rough going, but I'm finding stuff, so if anything else, get back with you. I already picked this up. It didn't have much showing, but little small preform blade there. Kind of thick, but glad to have it. Walked over it on the way in. The waves kind of calming back down. It's a little later than I like to get out here, but nevertheless, still finding stuff, so glad for that. Alright, anything else, get back with you. Don't know how I've seen this one, but oh, looks like there's something underneath that rock. I hope it's there. It is. It's ugly, but it's there. Alright. Anything else, get back with you. Alright. Looks like I've got a point here. Oh, I've been out for a little while this morning. It's been rough going. Water dropped again. And just kind of left everything just I mean, the water's junk, but that one there's a nice little point. Try to glare a little bit. At least I'm not gonna go home skunked. Well, if I can get it to focus, there we go. All right. Anything else? Get back with you. Alright, kind of digging around in this stuff here. Water really sucks today, so today's my and dad can hunt. I found this. Thought it was a broke tip, but it's not. It's Madison. Pretty good one too. So I'll take it with the day I'm having. It's probably the only thing I've got that's anywhere close to worth filming. So alright. If I do find anything else, I'll get back with you. It's broke, but what a shame there. It's hard to see. That color matches the rocks there, so. Alright, anything else, get back with you. Alright, out on the river here. Stopped at a little place on the way home from work, and looks like I got a good one here. Let's see if you can see that one. Oh yeah. Alright, good deal. If I find anything else, get back to you. I have been pretty much skunked this morning, and looks like I finally found something here. Looks like it's a big sandy, small one there. Tip's gone off of it. Alright. If I find anything, I doubt it. It's been a rough go lately. August is rough, early September's rough. So we need some rain bad. But if anything else, to get back with you.